Joining us live to report on the latest fighting in You Bet You Can Stand is RTE's chief news correspondent, Charlie Bird.
Yes, Charlie Bird, as ever, is at the heart of the action. Here I stand, where hundreds, nay, thousands of innocent victims from both sides scream in agony because of the bitter conflict.
Where is the fighting most fierce, Charlie?
At its heart, the bitter fighting has spilt over onto the streets of You Bet You Can Stand's capital, Kabulski. Families flee as armoured cars and tanks bring terror to the region.
So you're in the capital, Kabulski?
Kabulski is a shell of its former self and unrecognisable to my eyes.
So you're not there?
No.
Where are you exactly?
I'm close.
How close is close?
About 6,000 miles.
Charlie, you haven't got the ferry yet and you're still in Dunleary, aren't you?
That's right. I'll get my passport.
RTE's chief news correspondent, Charlie Bird.